Okay, so this is the question we have got. Now the thing is that there are three different numbers on which x is given as a power. So what you can do over here, you can see that if I can simplify these two have different bases, but their power is same. So 2 multiplied by 5 whole power x. This thing can be written like this. Okay, this thing can be written like this. So okay, in this one, as they are saying that we have to just simplify it, they are not saying that we have to use substitution. So I will try to go for not using substitution method. Okay, so let's see how I can do that one. 1 over 100 can be written as 1 over 10 square. Power on power, power will be multiplied. 10, 4, x minus 4. Okay. These two fives are 10 to the power x equals to, now this one and this one is being divided. So 10, 4, x minus 4 over 10 square. Bases are same and being divided. So this will become 10, 4, x minus 4 minus 2. So 10x equals to 10, 4x minus 6. Right? After this, if I will simplify it further, bases are same. Bases are same. So powers will also be same. X equals to 4x minus 6. Minus 6 shifted over here. 6 equals to 4x minus x. 6 equals to 3x. X equals to 2. Okay, so this is how you can solve it. And why I have used, why I know कि I can solve it without using substitution method, because in the question, in the complete question, there was no plus or minus sign in the middle of the terms. There was no plus minus sign over here. There was no plus minus sign over here. That's why I was able to solve it without using substitution. Okay. So this is how you are going to complete this question. Now the same question I am doing with substitution method. Okay. Just to see can we solve it with substitution method. So that is again my second step. So 10x equals to 1 over 10 square into this thing is in minus form. So how can I write it? I can write it in this way, that 10 4x over 10 to the power 4. When I will simplify it further, 10 to the power x equals to 1 over this multiplied by this will become 10 to the power 4x. This multiplied by this will become 10 to the power 6. Okay. Now, as we are doing substitution method, so that's why I'm going for substitution over here. First of all, I have written this thing like this, which you guys know about it. After that, let 10 to the power x equals to y. So when I will be writing y over here, this will become y equals to 10, y equals to y to the power 4 over 10 to the power 6. Okay. So when I will simplify it, what will happen? I'm cross multiplying it. 10 to the power 6 equals to y to the power 4 over y. When I will simplify it further, 10 to the power 6, same bases are being divided. Power will be subtracted. This will become like this. Okay. After this, what we are going to do? Now, y cube is there. What is the value of y equals to? Y was equals to 10 to the power x. So I am writing it over here. 6 equals to, in place of y, I am going to write 10 to the power x. whole cube. Okay, bases are same. Bases are same. So what will happen? This will be 6 equals to 3x and x will be equals to 2. This is how you are going to do it with substitution method, and you will